Welcome to the Man and the Pan Travels. I'm at the Hawaii Community College. I mean, these students and the instructors say, hey, they can do things in the pan. So I brought my pan and I'm going to see what they can do, okay? Hey, Hawaii Community College, we got Kailani over here. Wait, what grade?
First year.
First year?
Yeah, just finishing.
First year? You tell me you're going to do something in this pan?
Yeah, easy.
First year?
Of course, stir fry, first year.
There you go. Take it away.
Yeah, for sure. We're gonna start off by heating up our pan. Make sure it's hot. Get some oil, throw some oil in here.
Oh, look at that. You see how that guy is mean action.
We're gonna season our oil. We just have a little bit of ginger and garlic right
Whoa, ginger and garlic. Okay, awesome.
We're gonna make sure our oil's not too hot. Don't want that to burn.
Okay.
Our heavier veggies first, such as the onions, the celery, bell pepper, zucchini. These are already blanched, so these can go in towards the end with the greens like this. Since we're using a small...
Man, garlic, man. This thing here smells so awesome.
Yeah,
right?
That's all you need. Yeah, garlic and ginger, the best. So we're gonna throw in smaller portions since we're using a smaller wok. Onion, celery. Yeah, first thing you eat with is your eyes, so you're always gonna want to make it look nice and pretty. We're gonna be using a little bit of oyster sauce and then just a little bit of sugar. All you need is just basic stuff if you're gonna want to make something good to eat.
And you know what's so good about this? You know, a lot of these local vegetables and fresh and stuff like that is really healthy.
Yeah, mostly from our ag program.
Yeah.
We get a bunch of stuff from our ag program.
That's the amazing thing about community college. You guys all work together.
Yeah.
They had an ag class, a culinary class, right? Oh,
yeah, construction guys come in, get their lunch, you know.
Oh, man, you see? Yeah.
Onions are turning translucent. Bell peppers are looking a little sweated right now. Take our leafy greens. Start with the cabbage, a little bit more structure to these guys. Just a little bit. And then some kai choy, mustard cabbage. And that stuff's gonna shrink down for you, like a lot, so you can cover the top with them. No need exact measurements, that's the fun about cooking. If you really love cooking, then you're gonna love what you make. Get it, throw a scoop in like that. And then we also have a little bit of mushroom stock. These are the mushrooms that were boiled this morning. We'll just throw a couple in right now. This is what you'd see in Chinese style takeout and stuff like that.
Yeah.
A lot of their stir fry comes with cornstarch gravy like this. Not too much.
Oh no.
Yeah, classic veggie stir fry right there.
I can't wait. Okay. Man, that was like awesome. Look at that. Right?
Cooking easy, what, 5 minutes?
So good. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
I want to get little everything.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, look at this here. Yeah? Hey, look at it.
Hot.
It's hot, man. It is so tasty. Oh, man. And the flavors, man. Everything in there. It goes so much together.
Yeah.
Right? Wow.
Perfect, easy dish, make it home, super healthy.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know what? This is so outstanding, so good. I'll tell you, girlfriend. He's a keeper.
Thank you, Uncle.
Okay. Man in the Pan Travels. The awesome cook over here. HCC. When he graduates, everybody should hire him.
Hey, thank you, yeah.
Okay, big shaka.